on the top, analyze. We will go to the analyze, then descriptive statistics, then explore. So in that explore option, we will add the variables. Whatever the variables we have, we move those variables in the dependent list box. Then we have to select the plots option. Then we click on the plot option button. Then we also tick the histograms, and importantly, to select normality plots with the test. Then run the analysis, click continue, then OK. So that is the process we will follow in the SPSS. So how the what are the tables it will be generate? It will generate a Shapiro-Wilkes table, SW tables. That is the more reliable for the smaller sample when the sample is less than the 2000. Then we just trust on the Shapiro-Wilkes test. Then Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, KS test, yeah, K-means test you can say. That is more suitable for the large number of, means more than the 2000. If the significance value is more than the 0.05, if the significance value is 0. Means 5% level of significance, then data is likely normal. You can say the data is normal. There is normal distribution of the data. But the significance value is less than or equal to 0.05, then data is not normal. Means we will reject the null hypothesis. In that case, the data is not normally distributed. If the value is more than the 0.05, then you can say that the data is normally distributed. So if the test, both the values, means SW and the KS, both the test values conflict, कि सब दोनों टेस्ट में सेम वैल्यू आ रही है, then you have to trust on the Shapiro-Wilkes test. So visual checks, we will check the histogram. So look for the bell-shaped symmetric curve. We have to also check the histogram, whether they have the symmetry both sides of the mean values. The normal QQ plot, that is the data points, should roughly follow the diagonal line. So deviations S shape suggest no normality. If the all the data will be aligned with the diagonal line in the PP in the QQ plot, then we can say the data is normally distributed. If all the data not on the linear or along with that line and it will be in the S shape, then we can say that the data is not normally distributed. The third point, we will check the skewness and kurtosis values. So skewness values lie between -2 and +1, -2 to +2, and the kurtosis values lies between -1 to +1. So often suggest the reasonable normality. If the values are under these, you can say that is the data is normally distributed. So you have to check, firstly you have to check the bell-shaped symmetric value, bell-shaped curve, whether the curve is bell-shaped or not from the histogram. Secondly, you check from the normal QQ plots whether all the data will align with the diagonal line in the diagram. All the data is scattered along with that diagonal, or it will be on the state or the state on the line. If the data is spread over, there is very large deviations from the mean values, then the data will not be